started a long time ago, late 80s, with my friend. We started for like just a child play, just for fun, and now it's become a global phenomenon. Yeah, there is a huge change in parkour from when I started with my friend and now. In a sense that now it's become more sophisticated and more specific, and it take different direction. There is a training direction, there is a entertaining direction, and also it evolved a lot, because when we started it was kind of like I would say that it was just the beginning of it, like it was just like a baby. Now it evolved so much. Now, as I say, it's very sophisticated. The technique is better. The jump are longer. The performance are far better than when we started. But that's, I guess, it's what's happened for any discipline. The competition is definitely deviate from the original spirit of parkour. But I'm very keen with the freedom. So if some people like competition, I will say to them, go for it, because that means they need it. For my personal point of view, it's definitely not what I'm looking for in my personal evolution. I believe competition is not something I'm looking for, because it's always a man versus man, which originally is man versus obstacle and environment, which is completely different from my point of view. But as I say, it's very personal. And for development point of view, it's also, I'm looking for more something where it's collaborative rather than confrontation. I would say for me the best moment was when I started with my friend, because it was absolutely pure. In this time there is no YouTube, no video like it is now. We really did it for us, and there is no expectation for career. It's really come from a pioneer point of view, which there is, you can count in one hand the people who can say, I was here at the beginning of something, and that's something I always cherish and I keep in my heart forever.